I'm a girly girl with a girly secret. If I tell it to you, promise that you'll keep it. I'll tell you now. My little secret is I accidentally killed a man.
Yeah. No, it's not. What?
Good morning, everyone. God has let me live another day, and I am about to make it everyone's problem.
Who took my food? Jason! That was me 10 minutes ago. I was mad, but friendship is more important. That was me 15 seconds ago. Screw it. Jason!
How tall are you?
6'4".
How tall are you?
I am 5 foot 2 inches and 3/4. I will destroy you.
I'm mad at you. Let's fight.
God! Put that away, you psycho! Oh my god!
Hey! What? Are you asleep? Really? Why are you playing Christmas music in November?
You are not welcome here. Get out of my—
And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on that.
I am not built like a 1x1 Lego piece! No, I am not built like a 1x1 Lego piece!
I know we're broke right now, girl, I guarantee that I will work this out.
Just your imagination, the exit is your fixation. Door after door you find that it is just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination.
Is it an amalgamation of my own fixation? Door after door I find out it is just a digital hallucination.